things, most important thing that you have to do in the month of Ramazan is to say, La ilaha illallah. The one who says, La ilaha illallah is the one who's believing that there is no other ilahs, nothing of worship except that one, that creator, one creator, the creator of everything. The creator of the sun, the moon, the skies, the paradises, the hells, mankind, angels, of everything, one creator. The creator of Ibrahim alayhi salam, the creator of Isa alayhi salam, the creator of Adam alayhi salam, the creator of all the angels, and the creator of all of creation that we see and we don't see. See, there is only one. We may call him with different names. But like what that poet says, a rose by any other name smells just as sweet. And that is the name that we are saying, Allah. That Jesus, Isa alayhi salam, is saying, Allah. That the Bani Israel, they are saying, Elohim. Ahlul Kitab. Yeah, we have so many things in common, like what Hazrat Ali is saying, the cousin of the Prophet. If you are only going to concentrate on the bad characteristics of your friends, you will have no friends. For over 600 years, the Ottomans have been concentrating on the good characteristics of the Ahlul Kitab especially. That time, mankind may rise to higher understanding and civilization of themselves as humans, sharing this planet, sharing each other, sharing the mercy. To say La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah. There is no other being that is challenging Allah. There are no two gods, or three gods, or 100 gods, everyone saying, no, it's me, no, it's me, no, it's me. There's only one reality. What it is that is making man to say that there is 2, 3, 500,000 gods? Man himself and his ego when he feels divided from his Lord. And Islam is teaching unity, that we are all mankind, that we're all brothers, as the prophets themselves, they are brothers. And every prophet came to teach one message, to say there is no creator other than that creator, and I am your messenger coming from your Lord to teach you the way back to him. His unity is lost. It used to be some time ago. We feel this ummah, this togetherness, this neighborly feeling, regardless of black, white, brown, male, female, different nationalities, different religions. Now, because we have fallen so deeply into the love of this world, we're putting this world, our desires, we have put ourselves as a challenge to Allah. To say, He doesn't exist. To say, He is dead. To say, He doesn't rule. No, Allah was, is, and will be. Allah is awal and ahir, the beginning and the end. What other traditions are calling the Alpha and the Omega. Same. When people of understanding going to come together, that is the time we're going to show the sun. When people of misunderstanding get together, they're only going to show the shadows. Be the sun. As Maulana Rumi is saying, what? Like compassion and grace. Like compassion and grace, be like the sun. Those are our role models. Inshallah, those are the ones that we're trying to hold on to. We are very weak. We cannot do nothing. At least make proper intention and walk humbly and strongly. Humble doesn't mean weak. None of the prophets, they were weak. They were showing the strength that they're able to sacrifice all that they love, whoever that they love, and themselves for the sake of Allah. That is not weakness. To be humble is to know that your Allah, your Creator, is greatest, not you. That His beloved ones, they are higher, not you. More you put yourself down, more Allah is going to bring you up. As Isa alayhi salam prayed in the Garden of Gethsemane, putting his forehead to the ground, we put our forehead to the ground. We haven't changed that for 1400 years. That is to teach us now. Physically, we are from this earth. But Allah is saying, man, you are as close to me, closest to me, when you are in prostration. Than to know that once you put yourself down, understanding that your physicality is from this world, but your spirit has been with Him. Man is a secret that he hasn't even understood to understand himself. May Allah forgive me and bless you, inshallah. May Allah make this world to turn back onto the light and to haqq. May Allah bring down tyranny and the cruelty. May Allah protect all the weak and the oppressed and those who have no voices to speak. May Allah give us more patience. May Allah make the righteous ones to come. May Allah make Hazrat Mahdi to come. May Allah hasten the return of Isa alayhi salam, inshallah, to come and to bring justice back into this world. May Allah forgive me and bless you. Al-Fatiha. Ameen. So la ilaha illallah, inshallah Rahman.